What's happening?
Today I'm cleaning my hand
Why?
because it stinks.
It stinks. It's already clean.
No, look.
It's clean, GB. You washed it, you silly boy. Don't you remember?
I remember it was not this Henry.
It was not this Henry. Where'd you get this from? And who gave you my wipes? Ha ha ha. And there's a bag behind you. I can see the bag behind you.
Yeah, that's used. I took it out.
Is it brand new?
It was used.
It's used?
I covered it.
Oh.
This dust is spreading.
Okay. So somebody is using my wipes. Yay!
Somebody's using my one.
Somebody's using my wipes.
I found them in the drawer.
Is it? Okay. So why this who is dirty? Okay, GB. Are we done?
No, just kidding.
No.
This is not coming off.
Why is not coming off? Is this a dust?
Yeah.
Is this a powder? Powder? A flour? Somebody's been hoovering the flour. Yeah?
Inside the bag.
Inside the bag. Guys, I'm cooking and GB, who made this mess? Who made this mess on my carpet? GB, I saw you having orange. Oh my God, there's a mess everywhere. Who's gonna clean this for me now? My carpet's dirty. Oh my God. What are these orange things? What are they?
Orange pea.
Orange peel? Why are they on my carpet? I'm cooking.
You go and bring it cooking around and
GB! My carpet's dirty. Now how are you gonna clean it? I'm not getting my Henry Quick done.
Your Henry.
I don't want my Henry Quick to get dirty. Oh, you've got Henry Micro. Yay! Will I be able to pick my... Let's see, guys, if it cleans. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Wow! GB, love your hooah! Love your Henry Quick!
Not Henry.
Oh, sorry. Micro Henry. Wow, my carpet is nice and clean now. Oh, wow. Thank you, GB. Oh my God, it's everywhere. Oh, no. Thank you, GB.
Wait, you must be close. This is what I do when it's done.
Is it working?
I'm careful for blockage. Yeah, okay, not blockage. You see, I told you it's blockage. So there's a blockage, you keep on doing that.
Uh-huh.
And when you put the tool on it, it's
Thank you, GB. Love you, GB. GB.
I'm gonna clean the house now.
No, my robot's been cleaning my house and it's spot on. It's just some baby boy got this dirty. Who was it? Who was it? Me?
Like to eat and then like to cooking. So like, oh, eat.
So, GB, what's the plan? You want to clean this area now?
Yeah.
Okay. Although my robot cleaned this area properly today, but GB, of course, he wants to do it with his own Henry Micro. Oh, wow, very nice. Wow, it's best. Love it.
You like your Henry Quick or mine?
I like my Henry Quick too, but I like yours too.
Which one do you like the best?
I like GB Henry.
No, which one do you like?
To be honest with you, the suction power for this one is absolutely amazing. But I love my Henry Quick too, you know. You know,
Which one do you like first, mine or yours?
Jimi Hendrix.
No, man.
Huh?
Do you like yours first or mine?
I like Jimi Hendrix Hoover. I like Jimi Hendrix Hoover. I love Jimi Hendrix vacuum.